Good afternoon. I have just had a very interesting and engaging meeting with the President for the last nearly just over 1 hour. We discussed many topics today. Tajikistan is a country blessed with natural resources and green energy, and it provides the foundation for significant opportunities and investment in the future. The company I represent, Trafigura, is one of the largest independent supply chain managers in the world, involved in the oil and gas business, minerals and metals, and also bulk materials, and also renewable energy and carbon trading. Today we discussed ways to further develop existing operations in telco, but also future operations utilising the hydroelectric power for development of the mining industry and also renewable energy. We will be reverting shortly with a list of opportunities to the President and the Ministers of the Government, and we very much look forward to building on our existing foundation here in Tajikistan, and think we have a very bright future in working with the government here. Thank you very much. Thank you.